Hi, my name is Emma. I'm at Freetown Farm in the Grow It Eat It garden, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about raised beds. So this bed is 4 feet by 8 feet, and it doesn't really matter how long it is. It could be 8 feet, 10 feet, 2 feet, but what's really important is the width. So you don't want to go above 4 feet because most people can reach about 2 feet. So that means you can still get to the center of the bed without stepping on it, because when you step on it, you're compressing the dirt and it's not good for the plants. So anywhere between 2 feet and 4 feet is a good width for your bed. And then the other thing to keep in mind is the order that you plant your plants in. So we get afternoon sun in the south right about here. So we have our taller plants, like these cucumbers, in the back so that they're casting their shadow away, because if we planted them in the other way, they would be casting their shadow over these shorter plants, like these zucchinis and these herbs, and these would all not get enough sunlight. So that's super important to go shortest to tallest according to where the sun is in the afternoon. And then here, we'll do it to the other beds later, but we have put mulch over top of this raised bed to make sure on super hot days that we keep moisture in. So this just helps make sure that they have all the water that they need and it doesn't evaporate as fast, especially in hot summer days.